Hey guys, CalviNNatioN here today with a brand new video for you guys. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be taking my stitches out from my cut. Here is my cut. If you guys haven't seen the video of where I talk about this, you can check that out. I'll post a link here in the description. Basically, I cut it on my Chimera 5. I won't go into details on how I actually did cut it, but that's what cut me. Again, you guys can check out that video. But today I'm just going to be taking out my stitches, so yeah. So here we go. I got the supplies needed. I just got a little bit of rubbing alcohol here, some tweezers, and some nail clippers. I'm just going to spray a little on there, clean out the cut a little, make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want it to get infected. And nice and dry. Okay, so there it is, and I'm going to be taking the stitches out. Okay, so there's one. You can see right there, that's the first one out. Put that right there. And I guess we'll go ahead with the others. I'm in a kind of position where I can't really see the camera right now, so it probably will go out of focus. But I'll do my best. Kind of hard to do on camera. Yeah, it's going out of focus. There's number 2. We'll go on to number 3. Oh, missed it there a little. This one's a little trickier. This one doesn't want to seem to break. There we go. That one came out nice and easy. After I cut it, at least. There's number 3. Okay, this one's a little tighter in there. These must be pretty dull, because it's not breaking. Let's try the other side. There we go. Huh. Maybe that side's a little screwed up. Ouch, that one hurt a little. There's number 4. Okay. Number 5. You guys can probably skip ahead if you want. This is probably kind of boring for you guys, but just thought I'd film it. Anyway, here we go. That one came out. Oh. That one's stuck. There we go. Number 5. Okay, now these ones are a lot more tight to the skin. I'm gonna see what I can do here. Okay, that was easy. Hopefully these come out a little easier than the last one. Oh yeah. Here's number 6. And the final one, the tightest one. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, it's loose. And there she is. That's it, guys. There are my 7 stitches from my major awesome Balisong wound, which was the stupidest thing I've ever done. Again, if you haven't seen that video, I actually caught the cut on tape when I cut myself, so check that out. There's the 7 stitches. Here's the cut, all de-stitched. I'll post a little picture of the cut when I first stitched it up, as well as maybe the open wound. But there it is. Not too bad. Got some scabbing going on. I actually don't have feeling, well, pretty much any feeling right here. There's almost zero feeling, which is kind of weird. I hope that comes back. I have some feeling here, fairly minimal though, but here is a lot worse. I can still feel it, but it's pretty bad, and here is still, it has a little bit of feeling, but not a little more than up here. But all here, I have a lot of feeling. I'm sure it won't affect my flipping too much. We'll see how that goes in the next couple weeks as well. I haven't flipped at all, a tiny bit with my left hand, but you know, I'll probably just wait until it's healed up to even start flipping again. But there's the cut. I'm just gonna give it another quick little spray with the rubbing alcohol. Just make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want that infected. And there it is again, guys. There she is. Hopefully that stays nice and closed and heals up well. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my next video. See you later, guys.